is C12 on event 210 boys 50-meter breaststroke.
1.
Swimming lane 0 is Panila Group. Swimming lane 1 is Damolo Senior. On lane 2 is Montoya Mark Alejandro.
Good, White!
Lane 3 is Tablada Kenzo Amadios. Lane 4 is Casitas Ken Gabriel.
Go!
Lane 5 is Flores
Go!
Sebastian. Lane 6 is Bernardes Magnus Amari. Lane 7 is Uphill Zivin of Enatata.
Lane 9 yung kontra.
Lane 8 is Baclahan John
Lane 9 ang kontra niya. 7.
And lane 9, Olano.
Good, White! Go! Faster! Okay, go! Good, White! Go! Go! Tanawang 9. Layo pa? Go! Sige! Kapoy na. Go! Ah, naguna ng 9. Go!